What's up guys, it's Alan here. Today I'm gonna show you how to delete your TikTok account from your iPhone or iPad. The process is really simple and you can do it in just a few steps. So let's begin. The first thing will be of course opening the app on your device and go to the user icon on the navigation bar. Once there, if you are not already logged in, just tap sign up and select your personal account. Once inside, open your profile section down below. And you will need to tap the three dots menu on the top of the screen in order to bring up the app settings. From there, I recommend you to scroll down a little bit until you reach the option called Clear Cache and press it. That will assure you that all the data stored by the app on your device is deleted first. Once clear, scroll all the way up to the top. Now, under the account section, open the first one called Manage My Account. Once there, you will see at the very bottom an option that says Delete Account. Tap on that. As part of the verification process, the app will ask you to validate your identity once more with your own password. Do it. When the validation is completed, a confirmation message should be displayed detailing all the cons of deleting the account. Feel free to take your time to read it, and if you're decided to continue, just tap on Delete Account once and confirm. Right away, you will be logged out. You can confirm it by tapping one more time on the user icon at the bottom. From there, the only thing left will be to find the app on your home screen or your app library and uninstall it, if you're not planning to use it anymore. Well, those were all the steps that you needed in order to completely delete your TikTok account. If you like the video and think it is useful, consider sharing it with your friends, or if you're interested in more content like this, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Peace.